Okay, last time, what did I do? I blew up a submarine, and then I got this thing.
Jealous, but some of us...
Oh! Whoa! What is... That's cool.
Attention,
what is
ladies
this?
and gentlemen.
Oh.
The train has run into a bit of a problem, but don't worry, we will sort it out and have you moving again shortly. For
Oh,
your
my
safety,
hat.
please remain in your cabins.
Okay. I don't know. So, wait, what? Oh! Oh! Wait. And there's one right here too. So let's do that. Not sure what that did. Okay, what is this?
Oh, how I do enjoy leaving phone messages.
Oh, it's this guy.
Since this is an unsecured line,
Oh.
here's a clever little riddle. Buttons, buttons on the wall. Not them all.
I already did that.
I've left. There are 4. Each one found reveals a door. I just came up with that.
Okay. Oh! Haha. That's neat.
Sorry, we are tending to some difficulties up ahead. Please stay in your company. I have sent you a free gift. Please stop calling.
A free gift! What? Where's the... Oh. Oh. It's a cigarette.
Bah!
Oh. Oh yeah, I see it now. Okay. Oh! What's that? So I can like... Wait, what? Ah. It's a watch. What could I possibly do with a watch? Okay. So then, agency related. This is agency related, I think. I don't know. But we sent that to 6.
I'm only going to explain this once.
What is that? Okay, we're sending a watch to 5. Which one is 5? Yep, I think that's accurate. What is this?
Listen closely. I'm only going to explain this once. I need to know I can trust you. Send me the pardon, and I will send you the intel you want.
What's a pardon? Could you repeat that? Okay, sorry. Is this a pardon? Pardoned. That's pardon, I think. I don't want to burn this. I think that's that.
Thank you. I can now pursue my music wherever it takes me. The device I sent has what you want. The combination is the date of my birthday.
Oh, this. Okay. Oh! Oh! She died? She died.
I can't believe it. They killed her.
Yeah, I didn't really like her. She was kind of mean.
Get...
Oh, wait. It was in the newspaper. Crap. You too? Okay. Okay. 211. So. Oh. There. Yes.
Well done. One last thing. Insert that tape into the reader. It will transmit the defector's intel to us.
Bet.
Perfect. We're receiving the data.
Thank you.
Transmitting it has apparently alerted Zor's assassins to your position. Good for
What?
them.
What? Come in.
Room service.
Huh? Oh. Oh, okay. Die?
Ah, the old spear through the ceiling trick.
Stinky.
Never got a chance to do that one at the office.
Stinky. Oh. Die. Oh crap. Oh god. Get. Oh my god. Hi. Are you done? Oh. Go. You're supposed to pass it back. We're playing catch.
It would seem Zora underestimated both of us. You
I can shoot
impress
it.
me. But let's not celebrate
you.
quite yet.
Oh wait, you're
Zora's
alive?
backup is on its way.
Okay.
We've received
What is
reports of a
backup?
low-flying aircraft in your area.
Okay.
Pilots these days.
Oh, shoot him! Hello.
Just like in the movies. Remarkable.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like our little problem has been resolved. We will now continue our journey.
There's a bigger problem. How?
It's done. I'm free.
I still hope you
I would
die.
tell you to come find me someday, but I
No.
get the impression you couldn't leave this life behind. So instead, I will just say thank you
You're not
and
welcome.
goodbye.
No.
Transmission received. Well done, Agent. Listen, we're going to need you back at the office as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed your all-expense-paid vacation. Oh, that reminds me. We're going to need you to pay for all of those expenses. Granted.
Yes, that did count as your vacation, and
What?
you just used all of your days. Welcome back.
Okay.